Welcome to Adivasi vlog. Here I will show you the raw picture of the tribal village, wherein a tribal Adivasi woman, she is busy with her work, and I can show you the complete picture here with the help of cattle, with the help of bullock. Grains are taken out, treading out the grains with the help of cattle or bullocks. You can see the beautiful image, beautiful scenery of this. At the same time, this kind of scenario, picture or environment is getting extinct nowadays, as because many are using tractor and vehicles, bikes and other machines to tread out grains. And please do not ignore the background but adjust with the reality. Please do not ignore the background, adjust with the reality. I will show you, this is the godam, and here the paddy they have stocked, they have kept, and at the same time here she is busy with the cattle, trying to separate grains from the harvesting paddy. So সঁচাকৈ এক বাস্তৱিক ছবি, মৰণা দৃশ্যটো বৰ্তমান আমাৰ সমাজত আজিকালি হেৰাই গৈছে, কিন্তু গ্ৰাম্য অঞ্চলত এতিয়াও চলি আছে, য'ত আমি চাবলৈ পাওঁ। ইয়াত চাবলৈ পাইছোঁ মহিলাগৰাকীয়ে গৰুৰ সৈতে ধানসমূহ ভাগ কৰি আছে, আৰু আজিকালি সকলোৱে ট্ৰেক্টৰ, মেচিন, বাইক গাড়ীৰ সহায়ত মৰণা মাৰে, যাৰ ফলত আমি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ দৃশ্য চাবলৈ নাপাওঁ। ধন্যবাদ।